Ningthokjam Anita, wife of Ningthokjam Dilip Singh of Wangjing Lamding Elangbam Laikai, under Thoubal district, is an elected member of Ward number 2 of Sangayumpham Gram Panchayat Part 2. She believes in helping people. Anita drives e-rickshaw to earn money. Her knob shows that women can also earn money, just like any man. Anita earns rupees 500 to 600 every day. Checking the queue, many women have started booking for e-rickshaw. Anita said an association exclusively for women e-rickshaw drivers will be formed soon. She further showed interest in starting a Thoubal inter-district e-rickshaw cab service soon. Anita wears fanek, Meitei loincloth and Koget headgear.
Aigi pochi summaidi mai pakpa henkalai bagi maramdi kaino habada aina gari tongna makoida laiba income dugi wari ma sabada adaida ai isada phangba isada thobanina makoi su yawning bagi maikai rom da chingchalaga masing yam khale huji ai wangjing lamding somda da gari nipan gari mapan sujale ba adagi thainagi moirang phi phijan si khwangche chelaga kokte yelaga thauri baje akoi gi ngase gi ima lebak che phijet phigai tana yom laga chatle ba nupi jingje nataba crime kaya ma thoe masina maram oiraga miyam sida aina paukje langkhak piningi ngasi gi somaj da lairiba nupi oibi akhoi se somaj ji gi mingcheni haiba che ai praja da pininge ba maduna maram oiraga ai kitang chection na aina chalaga makhoi da piriba message hai tare ko sigi poche kitang yauba ngamgadra haibagi pandam da aina ngasi ai gi ipa ipujing na sijanaramba phijon tholamba phijon che ai miyam mamangda chelaga thabak se tawbane.
She started driving e-rickshaw from September 19 this year. Many people have inaugurated Anita's work.
Nupi singna asugumba anauba aikoi earning money gi damakta e-rickshaw thauba hawai base masi ubada aikoi yamna encourage dawi khoi gi maigai somdadi she is the fast driving e-rickshaw maramaduna asigumba thabak asi nupi singna imung mangon khata pubada natana asigumba thabak chi tawba taragadi aikoina samaj deida nupi nupa thong manari haibaje hariba thabak sin taeba
ado akhoi dine karibta ne man nipi ne thauba si dine yamna nungai ba karibta ki akhang leite nipa sing ne thauba di chaba ya ba sin chak cha salaga thaubu su yawe ba ko aduna akhoi da akiba phawe ba
leitana tongi ibung ning da ma bu ju thajabani na haina magi smai tong thogle haibaji gi maram si de yam nungai je akhoi na ma tholak pa je.
Anita also said that she wants to contribute towards the efforts of Green Manipur Mission and women empowerment.